Forgive me for the background. They say you can't record while you're focused on another task. I need the tunnel vision, let me relax. I know the pain never lasts. Forgive the background, I'm at work right now. I gotta drown in my thoughts and I drowned in my pain. But I'm working for the 8 to 6 game. Yeah, it's normally 9 to 5. But my work, yeah, it gets us here early every time. Now you know it's like I really gotta have the tunnel vision. And people don't understand it ain't real what's on television. And I'm looking at this nutty putty. I just honestly, man, I ain't no dummy. Yes, I'm working at the scrapyard. Yes, I gotta get the copper and aluminum. Yes, it's all bound. Yes, so what we gotta scale. It goes to 0 to 1,000. Let me get the bail. Let me get the forklift. No, I ain't on that. I don't get paid enough for doing raps. I know I get 0. I do this for my passion. Yes, I used to love English classes. Yeah, I'm feeling like I gotta keep on pushing. A lot of people, they don't understand what's been taken. Your peace of mind, your peace of heart, and everything tends to really fall apart. I don't even know why I even added that effect. I'm just sitting back and I probably need to smoke another cigarette. Got my water, got my sandwich, but I only took a bite because I had chicken earlier. Talking about my day is not really familiar with you because you're doing something different. I got a lot of people saying, man, I'm not gifted. No, they talk behind my back and yes, I got haters smiling. And people don't understand, I see you right through it. I don't even need to look you in your eyes, you can have them shades. I'm gonna tell you right now, just my passion is here to stay. And I will never die, and thank you Lord Jesus Christ. Cause my spirit outrides, and I just know sometimes, yeah, the pain always tries to hide. But you gotta keep your emotions intact. This is Young C, baby, and that's my rap. Tunnel vision, tunnel vision. Like I said, man, what's on TV, it ain't real. It ain't real, it ain't real. This is Young C, and I already told you the deal. You can feel, you can let all them emotions really start to kill your peace of mind and peace of heart. This is Young C. Didn't even need a hook. Didn't even need a hook. Yeah, it's written in the bookmark. But my my artist name is Casper. Yeah, I made a glitch, made a mess up. This is Young C. Yes, I'm never giving up. Yes, I wrote my name in the cement. Yeah, we had to pave it, cause some injuries could happen. And people don't understand, I don't wanna hurt nobody. I don't wanna hurt nobody. Remember, Jesus died for you and me. Let's make it. And did that 316.